Hello, it's Alicia with WTI, and if you are looking to take an ordinary meal and make it extraordinary, I want to show you these cloth napkins. These are from AVRIT, and these are adorable 100% cotton cloth napkins. And this is the black and white color, and just look at the design on these, they're so cool. So I love everything about these. I love this really fun modern print, and I love the texture and feel of these napkins as well. So this cotton is very, very soft, so it feels really nice on your hands when you're using it. It feels nice on your face when you're wiping your mouth. And I love that they are washable, reusable, so it really cuts down on paper waste with napkins or paper towels, so this is awesome. Not only does it do that, but it makes you feel very fancy. So when you are using cloth napkins, it just makes everyday meals feel really special, and you can really elevate a dinner party and make your guests feel like they are very important to you. They are a nice size, they're pretty large. This is 19 by 19, so plenty of room to be able to fold them into different styles or shapes or whatever you're looking to do with them. And they also wash and dry very easily, they iron very easily, so they're great, easy to take care of, and a really nice product overall. So if you're looking for some high quality cotton napkins that are modern, have a beautiful print, amazing feel, and are very durable and easy to take care of, then I would definitely recommend these from AVRIT. I absolutely love them. That's my point of view.